What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of adding plugins to your Minecraft server. Plugin enhance gameplay by adding new features or modifying existing ones. Whether you're running a private server or a community hub, knowing how to install plugins can elevate your gaming experience. So let's begin. First, open any browser like for example, Google Chrome, Firefox, or you can use Brave browser like mine, as you can see in the video. After you open any browser you want to use, click the URL search bar to type the website. Type this one. And the CourseForge website, click Minecraft if it is in the featured games list. If it isn't, click search for a game and type Minecraft to find a Minecraft game. As you can see, these are the latest mods for Minecraft. If you did not like the mods in the latest list, click Browse All to browse all the mods for Minecraft. As you can see, more mods have appeared in the list. Or if you think of something you want to mod, like for example Pokemon, you can type it here in the search for Minecraft mods and type Pokemon. As you can see, the list of Pokemon mods appeared. For example, you like this mod, just point your cursor to the mod you want to download. The download button appears, so just click download. The download has been processed, so wait for a few seconds. From here, choose the directory you want to save. Either you want to directly download it to the Minecraft plugins folder, or just save it here for now and drag it to the Minecraft plugins later after it downloads. Now that plugins are downloaded, open the compressed folder by double-clicking it, or just click the file and tap enter on your keyboard. Now all you need to do is drag this folder to the plugins folder in Minecraft. Adding plugins to your Minecraft server is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your gameplay experience. Remember to choose plugins that fit your server's theme and gameplay style. After installation, always check for updates and compatibility with your server version to ensure everything runs smoothly. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.